What's up? So in today's video I'm just going to show you some trades that I took today. Right, it's the first day of the year, right? So I hope 2024 will be a very pleasant year for us all, right? As you can see, I still have some running positions and they are negative, they are in loss right now, but I'll just show you how I entered, or I will just show you the trades that I entered today, right? So this account, as you can see, it's right now it's sitting on what, on 74 before closing these red trades, right? These so like the bad trades that I took today, right? But as you can see, let's go to today. So as you can see, today I've made a profit of $30, right? So, and as you can see, it's the 1st of January, right, from my date, right? It's the 1st of January, right? So it's actually the first, it's actually New Year, right? So I just thought that before the day could end, right? So the day is almost about to end, so I thought before the day ends I just show you the trades that I took, right? So as you can see, I took boom 1000, V75, and boom 500. This one I closed it, but it actually went into profit. I'm just going to show you all these trades, right? So let's start with boom 1000, one that I'm also currently in right now, right? As you can see, let me just show you this account. I took it from $20, right? So as you can see, from the, if we go the last month or 3 months, whatever, the first deposit was what, of $20, right? And so like the profit so far is 54, right? So I took this account from $20 and it's already sitting on 54, right? So I deposit this. It's not been a week right now, but I think it's the last the last 3 days, right? Let's check. Okay, so the first trade was here. It was actually boom 500. The first trade, it was on the 31st, right? So it was on the 31st, right? So like it's been 2 days trading this account and it's already on oh, it spiked again, right? And it's already on $54 profit, right? So I'm just going to show you the trades that I took, right? So let's start with this boom 1000 that's misbehaving right now. So let's show trade history, right? So as you can see, the trades that I took at first, right? I took these trades over here, right? So I took this and held up until there. Then I took it when it retested, it put back again over here, and I exited there. And as you can see, if I had held it longer, I would have almost made double the amount that I made over there, right? Then I took it again here, exited over here. I'm sure that these were two positions over here. I enter at the same position, right? So, and over here, as you can see, there was a trend line over here, right? There was a trend line over here, and a retest of that. That's what I used to enter this trade, right? But it's actually misbehaving right now. It's sweeping my whole account, right? So I'm just, as the year progresses, I'm just going to show you how this your account grows, how this account progresses, right? So let's go boom 500 and show you the trades that I took, right? So let's go 15 minutes, right? As you can see, I was taking my trades from these positions over here, right, from the highest positions, and exiting some over there, entered, exited lower, right? So those are the positions that I took, and the last trade that was in loss, as you can see, is this one. I took it over here, exited. It actually hit my stop loss. I was about to sleep, so I just left a stop loss above there, and it hit my stop loss, and it continued rallying down, right? So this was actually if I had held that, I'd actually be in good. I'd actually have made a good profit, but the market is the market. It does what it wants, right? So those are the trades. Then V75 is the other trade that I was in, right? So as you can see, right, is I entered over here. Let me show you, or let me just change the time frame so that I come closer. Liverpool is actually playing today. I'm a fan of Liverpool. Let me know who else is a fan of Liverpool. So this trade over here, there was, if I rotate my phone into okay, I will show you why I took this trade over here, but I actually entered two positions over here, entered and exited some over there, right? And those are the trades that I took so far. And so I'm just going to be updating you if this $20 account will be able to grow, right? Yeah, anytime that I take a trade, I will just keep on updating you regularly, maybe once or twice a week, on why the account is sitting at that position at that time. And so this account, I'm actually planning not to withdraw anything, right? And I actually have two accounts, right? The other one, that's what I will be using. That one I will be withdrawing in that one, and this one I will be holding. I wanted to grow this account, but as you can see, boom, 1000 is behaving. I don't even know where this account is going to end up, right? So let's see, and maybe I will show you where this trade. When I exit this trade, but I think I'm going to exit right now. It actually, yeah, it's almost breaking that high over there, right? So if it breaks that high, then I'm just going to jump out, right? So if you're interested in getting more signals, actually have a free WhatsApp group that I share my setups and that I share trades that I'm entering, right? So if you are interested, I'll leave a link in the description box down below, but it's actually on the about section. If you just click the description that's above the channel, right, you'll be able to get the link to that channel, right? So this is actually the group that I post my setups, right? So as you can see, right, so if you're interested in that link, then click that link and join the group. And also have a Telegram group for free books. Almost making profits, yeah, but I should have recovered, but the problem was it closed. I was margin called, right? So as you can see, if I show my trade history, I was margin called here, one of the positions, right? It was margin called somewhere over here. That when the last spike, imagine the last spike, and then it continued going down. So this one is just about to recover the lows, right? So let's see how it plays out. But as you can see, if I show you my other account, it has recovered by now, right? It should have been recovered. If I stayed two more of my positions, I would be back around the $70 by now. But as you can see, this account, right, I entered the same position, right? So over here, right, as you can see, these are the same positions that I entered, the same position, but they didn't get margin code because this one is extra money, a little bit extra because it was on 85, right? So right over here, right, it's almost all of it is almost there, but the other account is the one that I'm going to be sharing with you throughout this year. I don't want to withdraw, I just want to grow it and see where it ends up, right? Okay, so now I've closed the trade that was remaining mainly because of this support over here, right? So as you can see, this region over here, there is a supply zone, right, over here, right? So this is a demand zone, right? So that's why I exited, right? But I hope I get another entry, right? And the account is on 47 right now. This is the position that closed by on its own, right? Then this I closed it with profit, maybe negative the swap, that it was negative the swap. Then as I said, I've got two accounts. As you can see, the other account I closed both the positions and it's back on. It's actually made a profit of $8, right? About $16 in total, right? So as you can see, both the positions came out blue, and I just hope that the other account had another extra dollar or two, so that it couldn't blow. Right? So I even shared this another setup, right? Though I didn't enter another trade, I had shared this setup over here, right? So as you can see, this I will show you back in the chat. This is the setup that you could have entered, right? So if you were in this group, you would have had it, right? So I shared it around 9 and we are at 12, right? So this setup, let me show you on the chart. So for those that I shared this setup with, right? So if you entered at this point that I sent the signal and held up until now, that's when I exited, right? It's almost 90 pips. That's equal to $18 on a single trade, right? So that would have been $18 in your pocket, right? So if you want the link to that group, then check it in the link in the description box down below. And I will keep on updating you on the small account, right? So the one that blue, I'll keep you on updating you on the small account, right? On the trades that I take, right? So I think the one with the $100, I'm not going to share much. I'm not going to keep on sharing, but this account I will keep on showing you the trades that I enter. So if you want to see where this journey ends throughout the year, then let's subscribe and check